Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to be in GTA Online with your organization or business active. That unlocks the only supported path to trade price. Once logged in, enter an invite or public session and stand near your office computer or open the phone browser. Make sure your CEO or MC status is active so trade options appear. Then open the in-game internet and go to the vehicle dealer page. This starts the process to trigger and claim the trade price option for eligible vehicles. Once on the dealer page, scan each vehicle listing for the trade price label or a clear discount. Not every car qualifies. If the label is missing, complete the linked qualifying activity. These are short sourcing or delivery missions that unlock the trade price for that model. After finishing the required task, return to the dealer page. Your organization computer or office terminal will now show the trade price. Make sure your org is still active. Only then can you confirm the discounted purchase. Complete the purchase at the trade price using your office computer or the in-game phone while your org remains active. Once bought, store the vehicle in your warehouse or garage. If the trade price does not appear, leave and rejoin an invite session, verify you're still CEO or MC president, and repeat the dealer check. This usually fixes sync issues. Also confirm you completed the unlocking activity and that any limited time event windows are active. Those are common reasons the trade price fails to show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.